All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So starting off the day, I did cut some pipes for my coworkers, which you'll see here in a second. But I worked on mounting this box on this jacked up building. Box wasn't really mounting straight just because there's like one mounting point, which I screwed to the building, and then it wasn't really leveling out. So I mounted the deep strut there, and also worked for strapping the pipe, even though it didn't really need to be strapped. But that leveled out the box, and then put the strings back through there. Second, went on to move this right strut. Had to move that over a few inches to re-level the pipe on the left, the fourth pipe, or the left pipe of the right side. That needed to be leveled out, so I had to move the strut and re-anchor that with the rotohammer. And then I cut all 6 of these pipes, about a foot or 14 inches, just depending on what it needed to be to level them out, and pulled the strings back through them. And then lastly, my coworkers worked on mounting these panels, the 480 panel on the left and the 120 panel on the right. If you remember last week, it was just the gutters, so they mounted and drilled the holes in the gutters, and mounted my 7-inch nipples on the left, the 4-inchers, and then the 25-inch pieces of rigid, those 3 on the right side for the 120 panel. So that's what they worked on, and they also pulled the wire on the 480 side because there's a panel on the back. All right, everyone, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. As always, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Help the channel out. We got an awesome video coming up for you, which I already made and uploaded. I just have to put in all the details and stuff, but I'm going to upload this one first. So stay tuned. It's awesome. It's exciting. Another exciting moment for the channel. Lots of great stuff coming. Hint, hint. If you already follow me on Instagram, then you have already seen it and already know what happened. So Instagram's out first, so make sure to follow along on that my Instagram at Daily Electrician YT. I'd appreciate that if you want to. Probably go live stream later in a bit for dinner. Check the description for anything else. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of the night. Peace out.